In this video, I'll show you how to create a group in Knowi and assign users to it. First, navigate to User Settings in the bottom left-hand corner, and then go to the Team tab. Here you'll see an overview of the users associated with your account, including their roles, any filters you've applied, the groups they're assigned to, and their last login and account created date. Select Manage Groups, where you can see an overview of the different groups that you've created, and then select New Group. Give your group a name, and if you want, you can assign a default dashboard. So that dashboard will open up every time a user logs in who's assigned to that group. You can also apply any group filters here as well. Once we've created that group, to assign users to it, we can go back to Manage Users, and then select any user that we want to add to the group, and select Edit. And then scroll down to the User Group and Share Permissions, and select that newly created group from the drop-down menu, and press Submit.